This downward trend persists despite changes in government, raising concerns about the integrity of state entities, including the Electoral Commission's ability to conduct free, fair, and transparent elections. The CDD's Director of Research, Dr. Ejem Salome, notes that trust in key state institutions and officials has shown only marginal decline since 2022, but reflects a major drop from 2012 levels. This decline in trust is alarming, especially considering Ghana's upcoming elections in December 2024.
For me, the key findings will be trust in institutions. As I started presenting, I said we're going to present findings on trust in institutions, perception of corruption, and then elections. But for me, like I said during the presentation, that the perceptions that Ghanaians have about the key institutions of democracy, be it magistrates, tax officials, the presidency, even MPs, that trust level is declining over time. And as you saw in the presentations, we've had a time frame, where we asked these questions. And the over time trend doesn't look good. It means that the institutions that are supposed to hold democracy, make democracy work, they are not, the perceptions that citizens have about them is not improved over time.
It is alarming to see that only 26% of Ghanaians feel they can report corruption without facing retaliation, a 4% drop from 2022. This suggests a pervasive fear of speaking out against misconduct, which can perpetuate a culture of corruption.
The level of perceived corruption in institutions like the police, who have topped the charts, all these years that we've been conducting Afrobarometer surveys, has not changed. They're still at the top. But you see new entrants like, people in the office of the president. You even see Electoral Commission in there, and it's an election year. Why would people think that the Electoral Commission is corrupt? And these are concerning. For me, these are some of the findings that jump at me as somebody who works in an organization that promotes good governance, and democratic governance. For us, it's becoming a challenge, to the work that we've been doing these years.
It is important for Ghanaian institutions to address these concerns and work towards rebuilding trust with citizens to ensure a free and transparent electoral process.